Hey guys. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you a quick video adding the Redesign with Prima Decor Wax. This one is Eternal, and we're going to add it to the hardware that is on this really awesome jewelry box. So we've got 1, 2, 3 up here, 1, 2, 3 here, and I'm not sure about inside yet. Maybe, but we'll see. So it's super simple to use. You can either use a brush or you can just use your finger, and I'm just going to use my finger. So you just get a little bit on there and just run it over the hardware, and it just picks up all of the little details. Just makes it look fabulous, and it smells so good. Okay. See how cute that looks? Oops. And a little goes a long way. I can wipe that off, or I can leave it. I may just leave it because I had debated about maybe adding some around the frame, so I might as well just do it since I blooped there. But that's okay because it looks pretty. And I am so sorry. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe not. I hope I don't, because that would really, really be weird. Okay, just a little dab more. I'm trying not to sneeze. A little dab more. Okay, and then again, we'll make our corners a little darker. And we can go back and use what's left on our finger to fill in. Okay. Just highlight how pretty. Okay. And then I'll just run along doing those edges around. Just a little bit, just to give it a little extra. I think that's quite pretty. Okay, and then we're gonna do these guys up here. And then maybe just a little bit on the edges here. Just to keep it flowing with the rest there. Okay. See, a little goes a long way. All right. And maybe I'll just add a little bit down here, along the edge here, maybe on the corners. Yeah, that's pretty. And that's just it. I mean, how quick and easy just to add just that extra little bit. Beautiful. What a fabulous jewelry box this is. I'm so happy to find it. All right, let's see on the inside. The Decor Wax also dries permanently in 24 hours. See, these ones have just a little bit of gold on them already, so I'll just highlight it a little bit just to freshen it up. I'm not going to really add anything else in there. Still working on this piece. So just a little bit more. Pretty. I'm loving it. Okay. Well, I think that's pretty good. Pretty. Just that little extra just made such a big difference. And as you can see, we used nothing, just hardly anything. All right, thanks.